Revered Maharaj, we offer our Sastanga pranams. We are blessed by your Ashirvachan. Now, I request Swami Kripagananandji Maharaj, Monk Ramakrishna Mat Pune, for the closing song. With him, we have on tabla Shri Bhumin Pandyaji. Swami Kripaganananda for the closing song.
हे राम कृष्ण हृदयनाथ हृदय बीच आओ। हे राम कृष्ण हृदयनाथ हृदय बीच आओ। हे राम कृष्ण हृदयनाथ हृदय बीच आओ। निज ताप हरण मधुर रूप दास को दिखाओ। निज ताप हरण मधुर रूप दास को दिखाओ। हे राम कृष्ण हृदयनाथ हृदय बीच आओ। तेज पुंज दिव्य कांति तेज पुंज दिव्य कांति तेज पुंज दिव्य कांति हरत सकल मोह भ्रांति। तेज पुंज दिव्य कांति हरत सकल मोह भ्रांति। शोक ताप भय शांति शोक ताप भय शांति। हृदय बीज आओ, हे राम कृष्ण हृदय नाथ। तुम दयालु प्रभु तुम दयालु, दीन बंधु तुम दयालु, दीन बंधु तुम दयालु, दीन बंधु, दीन शरण दया सिंधु, कर प्रदान कृपा बिंदु, कर प्रदान कृपा बिंदु, दीन को तराओ, कर प्रदान कृपा बिंदु, दीन को तराओ, हे राम कृष्ण हृदय नाथ, हृदय बीच आओ, हे राम कृष्ण हृदय नाथ, हृदय बीच आओ। देव देव राम कृष्ण देव, हे देव देव राम कृष्ण, राम हे राम, राम हे राम, हे राम, बनि पसा निसा निसा निधप, पसा निधप, पनि सा गरे सा, सा ग म प म प म प ग म गरे सा, सा ग म प म प नि ध प म प ग, सा ग म प नि प नि प सा, प नि सा ग रे सा नि ध प सा नि ध प नि ध प म प ग, सा ग म प म ग म ग रे नि प सा। राम कृष्ण राम कृष्ण, देव देव राम कृष्ण, देव देव राम कृष्ण, हे राम देव देव हे राम, देव देव राम कृष्ण, राम हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, राम कृष्ण, देव देव राम कृष्ण, तुम ही राम तुम ही कृष्ण, तुम ही राम तुम ही कृष्ण, पूर्ण काम विगत तृष्ण, पूर्ण काम विगत तृष्ण, भव तृषा मिटाओ, राम कृष्ण हृदयनाथ हृदय बीच आओ। हे राम कृष्ण हृदयनाथ हृदय बीच आओ। निजतापहरण मधुर रूप दास को दिखाओ। हे राम कृष्ण हृदयनाथ हृदय बीच आओ। हे राम कृष्ण राम कृष्ण राम कृष्ण हृदयनाथ हृदय बीच आओ रे। प्रणाम मंत्र लास्ट। ओम निरंजनम नित्यमनन्तरूपम् निरंजनम नित्यमनन्तरूपम् भक्तानुकंपा धृतविग्रहं वै ईशावतारम् परमेशमिद्यं तं रामकृष्ण शिरसा नमामि। तं रामकृष्णं शिरसा नमामि। तं रामकृष्ण शिरसा नमामि। हे राम हे राम हे राम तं रामकृष्ण शिरसा नमामि। तं रामकृष्णं शिरसा नमामि। तं रामकृष्णं शिरसा नमामि। तं रामकृष्णं शिरसा नमामि।
Thank you, Maharaj. We thank Swami Kripagananandji and Sri Bhumin Pandyaji. Now I request Swami Devakantanandji Maharaj, Monk, Ramakrishna Math, Mumbai, for vote of thanks.
ॐ स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। Offering my pranams to Bhagwan Sri Ramakrishna, Sri Ma Sarada Devi and Srimad Swami Vivekananda Ji Maharaj. My respectful pranams to most revered His Holiness Srimad Swami Gautamanand Ji Maharaj, President, Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission Mumbai, Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission Belur Math. My respectful pranams to Srimad Swami Vishnupadanand Ji Maharaj, Secretary, Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. My respectful pranams to revered Srimad Swami Satyadevananji Maharaj, Adhyaksha Ramakrishna Math Mumbai and Secretary Ramakrishna Mission Mumbai. My respectful namaskars, my pranams to revered Swamijis who are present today in the hall. My respectful namaskars to all revered gentlemen and our brothers, our mothers and sisters who are present in the hall. I am here to present this vote of thanks. This Foundation Day, this idea, many of our centers, they celebrate this as a Foundation Day. Though in our official records also, which is published as a report, annual report from Belur Math, about our Mumbai center, it was only written that our center started in May 1923. There was no date. However, during the preparations, as our devotee, Sri Ratan Chaudhary ji mentioned, so there we discovered one volunteers, only he presented that there is one report, Sri Alok Rai Chaudhary, he had that. And while going through the history, we discovered that there is a date, that date being 19th April 1923, where Swami Sarvanandaji, along with few devotees, in a rented house in Santa Cruz, in front of Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, and here some about 40 devotees, this ceremony happened, where they formally conceived this idea of Ramakrishna Math, establishing Ramakrishna Math Center. At that time, it was named as Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama. At that time, it was in vogue. Math centers were named as Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama also. So now, that date we got to know, and we were very glad that we had a precise date, which is 19th April 1923. And seeing the almanac, we discovered that it is Akshaya Tritiya. Now, we were celebrating this annual public celebrations of birth anniversaries of Sri Ramakrishna Dev, Sri Ma Sarda Devi and Swami Vivekananda ji. Also, we used to have spiritual retreat. We also used to have Diksha, but these things were scattered. And we also used to have a kind of celebration which Swami Sarvalokananji, during his tenure, he has started celebrating Akshaya Tritiya. After Satyadevananji's time, it was all that tradition was in vogue, and we used to have Japa Yajna on that day. When we found that not only this is a great opportunity, so both of our centenary functions, opening ceremony and closing ceremony, so they both were planned near about Akshaya Tritiya. And this was something in our hearts, that not only Sri Ramakrishna is present in this ashrama, but this ashrama place itself is a holy Tirtha Kshetra. And it must be celebrated, and it must be honored, it must be worshipped, it must be commemorated when this idea was conceived. And that's why we brought all under this our annual celebration, our spiritual retreat, our initiation program, under this one great big banner, what we call is a Foundation Day celebration. It is ode to the glory of this place, of this Tirtha Kshetra, this Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission, situated at the 12th Road, Khar West, Mumbai. This is worshipping that holy Tirtha Kshetra itself. This is the Foundation Day. On this blessed Foundation Day program, here we are most fortunate and most blessed that we have most revered President Maharaj present for almost a week, 6 days. It is not a small thing. After so many years, President of the Order is in the ashram. He is there and going to be there for certain period of time. His most revered Maharaj will be also imparting spiritual initiation. It's a great spiritual, joyous celebration. Today's this session particularly, it is dedicated to Sri Ramakrishna, who is the fountainhead of all the spiritual tsunami, the spiritual flood which has ensued from him. From him came the direct disciples. From them came the holy Belur Math, all other centers, and including our own center at Mumbai Ashrama. To him, to Sri Ramakrishna, this day is dedicated. To commemorate his birth anniversary, we have all gathered. We are all blessed. Shankaracharya, in his opening of Vivek Chudamani, had said that three things are indeed extremely rare, durlabham, and they can be only obtained by unconditional grace of God, ahaitukam, deva anugraha haitukam. And these three things being the birth of a human being. We have got that. We are very blessed. We have got the rarest of the thing. We have been born as human. And then, second thing, he says, the greatest thing, you might have got the human birth, but then the desire to be liberated, to desire to be emancipated, to desire to be free, the spiritual liberation, the spiritual desire, the mumuksha. We are all are here, the people who have assembled here. Almost all of us must have been initiated at some point of time or other into spiritual life in this holy order. And we have got this third thing. When you have got the desire for liberation, you have taken the shelter of Mahapurusha Sancharaya. We have also got. I feel that we are all born as a human, born in India, in Bharat Desh. And to the greatest of all, I consider it my personal blessing that I came at the feet of Sri Ramakrishna. I have studied, I have compared, and you also. And I see this is something great. And I do not see anything in parallel to it. The religion, the creed Sri Ramakrishna taught. The ideal he is present before us. He is Ishwar avatar. And he comes to the earth with a purpose, with a mission. And his mission is ongoing. And we are all devotee. We have devoted to him, devoted to his mission. We are part and parcel of him. We are all, when I realize, when I consider this idea, I feel that how much work must be there to do and how significant, how insignificant we are to fulfill, to be part of his mission. I convey my most grateful Sashtanga Namaskar at the feet of most revered President Maharaj, Srimad Swami Gautamananji Maharaj, the President of Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Math Belur Math and Ramakrishna Sangha worldwide. We are most grateful, Maharaj, for your presence and showering your benediction, your grace on all of us and invigorating this spiritual fire in our heart. My most devoted pranams at the feet of most revered Maharaj. My Sastanga Namaskars at the feet of Srimad Swami Vishnupadanandaji Maharaj, Secretary, Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Revered Maharaj gave a very exhaustive deliberation on the Sanatana Dharma, the ideals of it, and as they are expressed in the life of Sri Ramakrishna. My once again heartfelt grateful namaskars at the feet of revered Maharaj. My pranams, my affectionate namaskars to Sri Sanjeev Shalgikar ji, who at a very short notice came here and gave a wonderful exposition upon the ideals of Ramakrishna Sangha. And my most affectionate namaskars to Swami Divyeshanandaji Maharaj, who along with Sri Vedanta Vishwas presented the opening song. Once again, a very hearty namaskars to and thanks to him. My also loving namaskars to my brothers, Swami Kripaghananandji Maharaj, who was accompanied by Bhumin Pandyaji on tabla and gave a very wonderful, sonorous and heart-rending song, a closing song for the function. My affectionate namaskars to Swami Dayadhipanandaji and other our volunteers, Sri Ratan Chaudhary ji, Sri Mayur Mehta ji, and all our volunteers, young brothers, and our staff, devotees who had been supporting and who has been participating, volunteering, giving their service, seva for the success of the program. I thank you, one and all, and most of all, I thank you all the devotees, being the Friday evening, afternoon, and you are still present here. So my grateful namaskars to all of you. After Arati, there would be pranam. Please have this blessed opportunity to offer your pranams. Pranams would be at the visitors hall. You will have also refreshments after this vote of thanks. So please enjoy that. My once again, thank you one and all. Probably Swamiji want. And tomorrow morning program begins at 8:30. I wish that there are no empty chairs in the hall and hall is occupied. There is also arrangement in the neighboring hall, but you would be sitting in AC, so come first. So you want to sit in AC. So there was some trouble, we were fighting with it, but it is resolved now. So there is no trouble. You can come and occupy the seats. Don't leave the seats. Be fully prepared. Thank you one and all. With my affectionate namaskars to you all. Namaste. Thank you.
Please be seated. Maharaj will be leaving the hall. After this, we move to the Vivekananda Hall, where refreshments are arranged. Backside, they can start. This door, Maharaj will be going through this door. As already informed, after the evening Arati, most revered President Maharaj will be present below the Holy Mother's temple, where we can all offer our pranams and take his blessings. वो दरवाजा खोलो ना. Request all the devotees to have the refreshments which are arranged in our Vivekananda Hall. From there we go to temple for evening Arati. After Arati, we will all go to our visitors hall below Holy Mother's temple, where we will offer our pranams to most revered President Maharaj. Thank you.